Hey everyone, and welcome to the first lesson we decided to name Cassini. In this lesson, we are going to cover how the eBay search engine works. So first off, the reason we decided to call this lesson Cassini is because Cassini is just a computer, and we as human beings are much smarter than a computer. If we understand how Cassini works, how it comes up with the decisions that it does, what factors are taken into consideration in order to rank items on the first page of eBay, we will then better understand how to build great titles, find the right products, and it will be easier for us to manage our eBay business. So let's begin. What is the factor that affects Cassini? It's relevancy. Before we start learning about eBay's algorithm, it's very important to understand why there is an algorithm inside the search engine of eBay and the reason eBay created it. The two reasons it was created are improve the buying experience and improve the selling experience. Improve the buying experience. Before Google existed, it was very difficult to search for anything on the internet. For example, before, if you were to search for any phone or smartphone or even airline tickets on the internet, you would get a lot of irrelevant results, and people would spend unnecessary time going from page to page searching for what they are looking for. So, the creators of Google decided to make a search engine for everything that is on the internet, an algorithm created to improve the surfer's experience. And it works exactly the same way for eBay. It helps buyers find what they are looking for fast, and the results are more accurate. The algorithm in eBay was created to improve buyers' experience. This also results in all searches to show relevant results. Improve the selling experience. At the same time when eBay was improving the buying experience, they were working on improving the selling experience as well. The reasoning behind this is because they wanted more sellers to participate in their market. When we, as sellers, have a better experience with higher rankings, more sales, as well as traffic, we will in return spend more time on eBay, list more items, and try to make more sales in the eBay marketplace. eBay has made it so that traffic is distributed between all relevant listings. Some get more, some get less, of course, but everyone has the opportunity to succeed. Those are the two reasons why the Cassini algorithm was created. Every time you pick a listing, build a title, put pictures to your listing, you have to think of a place of relevancy. Is my item relevant? Is my title relevant? Now, we are going to cover specific factors that represent the relevancy of Cassini, the eBay algorithm. This is divided in two parts. Unique and content. Unique. The most powerful way to be relevant in the eBay search engine is to be unique. And to be unique means to upload unique items. If you copy items from your competitors and not change a thing, your listings will probably not get a lot of impression. eBay can quickly recognize duplicate items. Then we have item specifics. As long as you have more item specifics and different unique item specifics compared to your competitors, you'll have a higher chance to get more traffic. Make sure you are specific with relevant keywords in your title. This is very important for the eBay algorithm. On to number 3, which are high quality photos. Make sure your photos are big so buyers have the option to zoom in. Make sure that the photos are describing each item and are very good quality. And also make sure your photos are different from your competitors. Mobile-friendly description. At the end of 2017, there was a conference in Las Vegas regarding eBay. They went over how important it was to have mobile-friendly description, and they explained that 60 to 80% of purchases are taking place from a mobile phone. This is why you have to make sure that your description is optimized to be mobile friendly. Number 5 on the list is to build winning titles. This means using selling keywords and searched keywords and keywords that convert. During this course, we will go over exactly how to find those keywords and how to apply them to your listings. There is a full chapter that will teach you how to build any title. The 6th thing is the sell-through rate. Your sell-through rate has a huge impact on your ranking. If you have a high sell-through rate, which means you have more sales than active listings, you have a higher chance to get traffic from eBay. eBay and any other platform using this algorithm build their rankings based on trust. Once you build trust and create a lot of sales, eBay sees that you're a trustworthy seller. You're selling a lot of items, your items are being delivered on time, you're receiving feedback, and eBay sees that you can be trusted. Moving on to content. It is very important that our content is reached with keywords, and not just keywords, but value of the content. The description of the title needs to explain the item very clearly using good keywords. Searched keywords, for example, are long tail keywords. These are keywords with more than one word, so 2, 3, or 4 words. And this will give you a higher conversion but less impression. The generic keywords are one-word keywords. They will give you high impression. Like I mentioned earlier, we have a chapter that will show you how to find keywords and build those amazing titles. It's also very important to remember that relevance is the key for a high ranking. If you are unique, you will be relevant, and in return, you will get a lot of traffic. Seller ranking. First of all, don't worry if you are just a beginner and you don't have any feedback yet, or maybe you have some but very little at this point. Everyone has to start from somewhere, so it's not something to worry about at this time. You will build your seller ranking with time, but it's important you follow these steps. First of all, customer service. This is your reaction time. If someone sent you a message and you answered fast, you will have a better ranking. If someone sent you a message and you answer professionally in the lines of, "Hello, name of customer, thank you for contacting me in regards of," then you would address their concern and end it on a nice note in the lines of, "Thank you very much. If there is anything else I may help you with, please let me know." Bottom line is, just be nice. Response time. Be sure to respond as fast as possible. If there is a case open and you act fast, this is how eBay builds your seller ranking, and you need your seller ranking to be high. Feedback. Make sure you receive feedback. The best way to do that is to send out 3 automated messages. The first message, you will contact the buyer after they have purchased the item. The second message will be sent to the buyer when the item has been shipped. And the third message will be to the customer after the item has been delivered. And last but not least, we have sales compared to active listings. Like I mentioned earlier, this will build your seller ranking, so make sure you have more sales than active listings, or at least 50% and above. So if you have 100 listings, 50 or more sales, then you would aim to reach 120% of a sell-through rate. Of course, it's not easy, but if you take some time to really work at it from the start, invest time in all the things that we've covered, you will in the end get great results. To wrap up this lesson, I would like to thank you for your time, and as my good friend Thomas Jefferson once said, I find that the harder I work, the more luck I seem to have. So keep at it, guys. You will succeed.